Again, I'm not really sure if this is like me willing things to happen or to move faster, or maybe something is happening. Una furtiva lagrima. It's quite mixy color, and then it's easy to go in my full chest, like when it's like C, B flat, like middle C, B flat, da 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 da, lower. That's when they finally saw me, like saw through me into my soul, and their smile was like a hand extending out and clasping mine. I have to really, really warm up and kind of like get this like this sensation of down and open to really feel like, okay, I'm in the center of my voice.
Say hi. Hi, my name is Mimi.